The Evergreen Tree. After months of cold and snow, everyone on the farm was celebrating the arrival of spring. Birds flew over fields of sweet-smelling wildflowers. Chirp, chirp, sang the little birds. Flutter, flutter, went the butterflies as they dashed from flower to flower. Bzz, bzz, buzzed the bees as they collected sweet nectar. The trees started to sprout tender green leaves and dainty pink flowers on their branches. Yes, spring had arrived. The young evergreen tree also grew tender green needles on its branches. It grew taller, fuller, and wider. The evergreen was happy that spring had arrived. He looked around and waved happily at the other tree. "Hello," he swayed. "What pretty new leaves and flowers you have!" "Hello, hello," whispered the pretty tree in the light breeze. Soon enough, spring changed into summer. The wildflowers started to dry under the hot sun. The tender leaves on the tree turned dark green. The branches of the tree filled with ripe fruit. "Peep, thank you for the cherries," chirped the little birds with their beaks full of juicy fruit. Slurp, slurp, went the butterflies as they sipped the sweet cherry juice. Bzz, bzz, buzzed the busy bees. The evergreen watched the other tree, wishing his branches would fill with happy little birds, butterflies, and bees. "I feel so alone. My branches have nothing to give," he sighed. Summer turned into fall. There were fewer birds. Bees and butterflies. The leaves on the tree turned yellow, orange, and red. The fields dried, but the evergreen remained as green as ever. "What beautiful colors you have," he said to the fall tree. "Whee!" breathed the leaves as they played with the wind. Fall turned into winter. Strong winds blew, and the tree branches were bare now. The birds, bees, and butterflies were gone. "What happened to me, to my beautiful colors, to all my friends?" whimpered the sad tree. It started to snow. Fluffy white snowflakes fell on the fields, on the bare branches, and on the evergreen tree. The snow dressed the evergreen branches in sparkling, shimmering white. "How beautiful you look," whispered the bare tree. "I do?" asked the evergreen, surprised. And then he noticed he was really beautiful, all green and dressed in a crystal white winter cloak. Only then did he realize that he had been beautiful all along. The end.